day, everyone. Our community often experiences power interruptions. This affects our daily lives, especially our studies, safety, and communication. Students find it hard to study. Families feel unsafe at night, and small activities are interrupted because of unstable electricity. Electricity is not a luxury. It is a basic need for learning. We believe that with cooperation from leaders, service providers, and the community, reliable electricity is possible. Let us not stop. Let us not stay silent about this issue.
Our future.
Let us use our voices, our platform, and our unity to ask for the change we deserve. Once again, we call for reliable electricity in our community. Thank you for listening and supporting this advocacy.